and after that go to your disk, and in disk click on Windows. After that search for System32. Under System32 search for WinBio plugin. WinBio plugin. After click on face driver and click on right click on last one and click on install. Click on yes. After installing it, restart the PC. Still problem does not resolve. Coming to the second step, search for run and open it. After opening that, search for gpedit.msc and click on OK. After that click on yes. Open the gpedit.msc. Under gpedit.msc go to administrative component. After that click on Windows component. After that click on Windows component. Sorry. One second. After first I will tell, go to administrative template and go to Windows component. Under Windows component click on Windows setting. Window component click on biometric. In biometric last 4 options should be enabled and click on all options should enable. If not enabled, click on enable. After that go to facial features and disable that and click on apply. This is the video of the how to repair the fingerprint. gpedit.msc is not opening. I will do video when more than 500 viewers. Thank you for watching.